Good evening, children. In this session, we are going to start new chapter, lines and angles. So in this chapter, we are going to learn angles, pair of angles, transversal, angle found by transversal to two lines, and angles found by transversal to parallel lines. So all these topics we are going to learn in this chapter. So before that, let us learn some definitions. So here the first definition is angle. So angle means an angle is a figure formed by two rays with a common end point. Look at the figure here. So here two rays. Which are the two rays? OA and OB, right? So OA and OB have common end point, right? So this is common end point, right? So which is common end point? At O, right? So here the angle is formed. Okay, the common end point is called vertex. So O is called vertex of a angle AOB, and the OA and OB are called rays or arms, or also we call sides. Got it, children? So this is about angle. And the next definition is pair of angles. So here pair of angles are, first one is complementary angles. So what do you mean by complementary angles? Let us see. Two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of their measures is 90 degree. So if we add those two angles, so we need to get 90 degree, then those two are called complementary angles. So I repeat again, listen. Complementary angles means two angles are said to be complementary if the sum of their measures is 90 degree. Look at here example. 60 degree plus 30 degree is equals to 90 degree, right? So 60 degree is the complement of 30 degree. Got it, children? Yes. So let us take another example. So what is the complementary angle for 45 degree? So the complementary angle for 45 degree is 45, right? So 45 plus 45 is 90 degree. Okay. Next, take another example. What is the complementary angle of 10 degree? So what should be added to get 90 degree for 10? So that is 80 degree, right? So 80 degree is the complement of 90 degree. Got it, children? Yes. The next one, let us take what is the complement of 50 degree? So 40 degree, right? So 50 plus 40 is 90 degree. So the complementary means the sum of two angles are equal to 90 degree, then it is called complementary angles. Next comes to supplementary angles. So here supplementary angles means two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum of the measures of two angles is equals to 180 degree. If the sum of the measures of two angles is equal to 180 degree, then they are called supplementary angles. Let us take an example here. So 140 degree plus 40 degree is 180, right? So that these two are called supplementary angles. Let us take another example. What is the complementary angle of 100 degree? 100 plus 80 is 180, right? Yes. Now let us take another example. So 40 degree, 40 degree plus 140 is 80 degree. Now let us take 180 degree. Next, take another example. 90 degree plus 90 degree is 180 degree, right? Yes. So these are the supplementary angles. Got it, everyone? Yes. And the next definition is adjacent angles. It means two angles with the same vertex. Two angles with the same vertex. One arm in common and the other arms lying on the opposite sides of the common arm are called adjacent angles. look at the figure here. So two angles with, so here we have two angles, okay. So with the same vertex, which is common vertex, that is O, right? Yes, so both angles having common vertex and one arm is common and other arms are lying on the opposite. So one arm, which is one arm here, OB is the common arm, right? So OB is the common arm for both angles. Which are the angles? Angle AOB and BOC. Both angles having common arm is OB and O is the common vertex, right? And the OA and OB are lying on the opposite sides of the common arm, right? Yes, so that these two are called adjacent angles. Got it, children? Yes, so angle AOB and BOC are called adjacent angles. Okay?